nakarating din dito.
Oo, kahit ako eh.
Ayun, dahil tao si Babaw.
Saan tayo?
Doon tayo si Babaw.
There's somewhere you can take me. He walks on, doesn't
Nakapalo sa puta.
he pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you to be in paradise. Oh, think twice,
Diyos ko po.
'cause it's another day for you, you and me in paradise.
Kung minsan may ikon, may pakan dito eh. Biyahe, dadang. Biyahe dyan. Ano? Hanggang pintong yan? Ha? Oo. 200 natin. Iba 200 natin eh. Bayad yan.
She calls out to the man on the street.
Baka sinyo, may gusto dyan na mag short time, meron dito. May ikon tayo dito. Pahingaan, short time. Kompleto to dito eh. Dami ano, Marno. Yan o, may pahingahan yun din eh. Gusto mo ng 3 oras. Yan dyan. Nanggigil ka na, pwede ka doon.